Today I am reviewing these new boots from NORTIV 8. They sent me these to review and I thank them for that. Let's check them out. Give you my honest opinion on them. So this is how they look. They're like a mid-length boot. They have this nice tan leather look to them. Really nice eyelets here. You can see them all with rivets in them. Nice thick laces. They look well insulated and they're super light. Big lugs on them as well. So they should get good traction in mud and snow. And they look like they have some good cushion to them because, you know, kind of like a shoe. I like that it has like this natural, like kind of Alcantara rough leather look, and it's in these seams in here. I'd say overall, really stylish boot. Nice contrast with the tan. And it's not quite a white, so it should stay a little cleaner. It's kind of more off-white creamish. And you look inside. Nice big pull tab, big tongue, everything. Let's see. Well, we're going to go try these on outside, see how the traction is, see how they fit and how they look. All right, so I have these boots on. They are super comfortable. I'll walk down the hill. All my dogs. Great for the winter. It's pretty cold today. They feel nicely insulated without being too much. They seem to provide good grip. And I love how lightweight they are. I feel like they could be broken in a little bit more. But overall, a really nice boot. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.